Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have one sheet of a 4 or 8, 5x11 paper. Start now by folding the long edge to meet the opposite long edge, creating a precise 1/2 length crease. Once done, unfold and fold each top corner inward toward the center line to form a pointed nose. This concentrates mass at the tip for stability. Make sure to press creases sharply with your fingernail. Neat, tight folds reduce drag and keep flight predictable. Don't pause, move to the next shaping step. Once the nose is set, fold that point down about 1/3 of the dart length to shift the center of mass forward. You want the weight slightly ahead of the center of pressure for stable flight. Next, fold the paper in half along the center line so both sides match, then fold each wing down evenly, leaving a 0.5 to 1 cm body thickness in the middle to act as a spine. Make tiny outer creases along wing tips to stiffen them and prevent flutter. You're ready to test launch. Stand 1-2 meters away and give a gentle straight toss, not a throw. Watch for nose drop, roll, or consistent veer. If it nosedives, tighten nose creases or add a tiny 1 to 2 G paper clip at the tip. If it rolls, add a slight wing dihedral by bending wing tips up a few degrees. If it veers, crease the opposite wing trailing edge slightly. Make one small change at a time and repeat tests until stable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.